Hello guys, hello YouTube. I hope everybody is doing good, hale and hearty. Today is 24th July, Saturday, and today we are going to Innorbit Mall. This is weekend. This is Saturday. We're going to Innorbit Mall. हम Innorbit Mall जा रहे हैं सारे के सारे family. We have to do some shopping in Big Bazaar probably in the ground floor of Innorbit Mall. There's a big bazaar, big bazaar, really big bazaar, big campus, big store. And there we have to do some shopping, some household shopping and some grocery shopping probably. और हम लोग वहीं शायद लंच करेंगे फूड कोर्ट में ऊपर जाके, इधर मैकडोनल्ड्स और बर्गर किंग और KFC और एनी अदर इंडियन ऑप्शन और चाइनीज़ ऑप्शन, वील सी. And today is Saturday and we are going now. Everybody is going, my wife, my son, my father, also my mother-in-law. So we're going now and we'll go in our Baleno in some time. If possible, I'll go through the Durgam Cheruvu bridge and include that scenic clipping in this video, if possible. Let us see once we go there how much time it takes and everything. So let us see. If possible, I'll show the clipping here, Durgam Cheruvu bridge, because I have not been to that bridge. After it was built, I was not here. I was in Kolkata at that time when it was completely open to public. So I would like to go today. We'll see. If possible, I'll do it in this video. Otherwise, if not possible, then we'll find some other video for that. Okay, then in some time we start. We'll go to Innorbit Mall and connect. And yes, one more thing. I'm sporting a French beard for quite some time. People who know me clearly, जो मुझे बहुत अच्छे से जानते हैं, मेरे क्लोज फ्रेंड्स हैं जो, या मेरे जानने वाले हैं, शुभचिंतक हैं, वो सब जानते हैं कि मैं नॉर्मली एक गोटी स्पोर्ट करता हूँ, नीचे सिर्फ, ऊपर का नहीं करता हूँ, सिर्फ नीचे वाला गोटी स्पोर्ट करता हूँ फॉर ईयर्स, 10, 12, 13 ईयर्स मैं वही गोटी स्पोर्ट कर रहा हूँ. बट फॉर अ चेंज आई एम पुटिंग अ फ्रेंच बियर्ड नाउ टुडे. पूरा रखा हुआ है मैंने, तो आई होप इट इज़ लुकिंग गुड, इट इज़ लुकिंग फ्रेश फॉर अ चेंज. ओके.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
So guys, we are at the Innorbit Mall now. See my son. Hello. Say hello. Hello. He's saying hi. We're at Innorbit Mall. My father is coming there with me. We are at the Innorbit Mall. We're going to Big Bazaar now. We're going to Big Bazaar now. That is an L1 floor of Innorbit Mall. We'll have some grocery and household shopping, and then we will proceed to the food court. Okay. Say bye.
Bye.
So guys, we are busy shopping a lot of stuff. अभी हमारे पास बहुत सा स्टफ हो गया धीरे करके. अभी तो ये हाफ ही हुआ है, और लेना है अभी. It is getting accumulated, all the stuff. and my father is buying something also, and my wife is there buying something. Son, son-in-law, me. ये हो गया. चलिए मिलते रहते हैं बीच बीच में. काफ़ी स्टफ हो गया अभी और होगा. So guys, we are done billing now. That is our stuff. We are done billing now, and now we will leave for the food court. Okay. So guys, we are at the Chutneys. Chutneys has reopened recently in Avid Mall. It was closed last Saturday. We came. It was closed. It is open today, and we are in the waiting area. Once they call us, we'll be there on the table. Just waiting now. See, my kid is waiting here. My mom-in-law. Okay. My father is sitting there. We'll be called and we'll go in some time. Our number is A15. Our number is. Once we are called, we'll go. This is me standing in Chutneys. Standing at Chutneys. See you. So guys, we are seated now. We got the table now. We are seated now with dad, my wife, my son. Everyone is seated. I am also seated. We'll order now. We'll order some stuff. 70 mm dosa is quite famous here. 70 mm dosa. It is purely veg. Chutneys is purely veg. But it is in veg. It is very good. It is famous restaurant basically. I'll just open this now. Look at my new look. French cut. I hope I'm looking good. Like a professional. Okay, anyway. So, we'll order something now, all of us, and then we'll have, and then we'll proceed to our home. Probably, I just want to go through Durgam Cheru at once, if possible. Night not be possible also, we'll see. Okay then, see you sometime when you order food, it comes, I'll show you the food also. Okay. So guys, we have already started eating. Me and my wife are still waiting for the veg biryani we ordered. Me and my wife have ordered one veg biryani each. And my son is having chocolate milkshake. He doesn't eat too much now. He mostly takes liquids as of now, outside also. My mother-in-law is having a masala dosa. That is speciality. My dad is also having masala dosa. That is speciality of Chutneys. And me and my wife are waiting for the veg biryani we have ordered. And my dad is having cold coffee also. Cold coffee and masala dosa. And my son is having chocolate milkshake with ice cream. He's enjoying it. And that sad me waiting for the food. Look at this. My French cut. Looking macho, no? Just joking. It looks good for a change. See, people are eating. Me and my wife are waiting for the veg biryani. And otherwise, everyone else is eating. My son and everyone else is waiting. And my dad is eating. And we are waiting for the veg biryani. Me and my wife. Okay. Our food is also here, veg biryani. They'll be serving us to me and my wife. Veg biryani we both have ordered, one plate each. Now she's serving the veg biryani. And I'll have it sometime. Veg biryani is being served. She's serving veg biryani to my wife. Veg biryani. Actually, this biryani in any form, like veg, chicken, egg, or paneer, or prawns, or anything. It's serving to me now. Veg biryani is served on my plate. And I'll have it in some time now. Okay. So guys, we are done with our food. And this is me washing hands. We ordered tea and coffee without sugar. Sugar separate. Some people here don't take sugar. So we are ordered 2 tea and 1 coffee. My father already had cold coffee. And now me and my wife are having tea. Me and my mother-in-law are having tea. And my wife is having a coffee. Washing hands now. Clearing hands now. Okay, we'll see you in a while. So guys, my tea has arrived. My wife is having tea. And my mother-in-law is having tea. Sorry, my mother-in-law is having tea. Wife is having coffee. I am having tea. see the color of the tea. Good. Let me have it now. So guys, having tea now. Delicious tea. Look at this. Enjoying the tea? See you after finish. So guys, we have reached home now. We went to Elmwood Mall, हम सब कुछ करके basically shopping करके खा के, and also I have taken Durgam Cheru snapshots, snippets. I went to that bridge for the first time today, and I have seen basically we have made a video for that. That also you will be able to see today. Before this only, you might have seen that because I'll upload before this sequence, this is the ending sequence basically what I'm recording. Before this you will see, because while coming only we made, so you will see that Durgam Cheru bridge snapshots also. Okay, then this is the video today. Please like the video, share the video, watch the video properly, and if you're new to the channel, first time you are here, then please subscribe to the channel, be a part of my family. We'll grow together this way, and we'll make a big family. We'll grow if you are with me, and we'll keep making good videos, awesome videos, and we'll keep going this way. Thanks a lot, and do press the bell icon also for the regular from my channel. अच्छा ठीक है, मिलते हैं, ठीक है, नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं हम लोग. ओके, बाय.